Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a foreign person who you have heard or known that you think is interesting. You now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
I try myself up. I try myself updated by global events, news, and also about foreign personalities. Today, I would like to describe my favorite and interesting personality. He's an American actor, musician, and producer. His name is Johnny Depp. He is also famous for his acting and skills. He's also famous for as Captain Jack Sparrow. His role in Pirates of the Caribbean he's also he, Captain Jack Sparrow. He's very humble and genius. He's very well looking and handsome celebrity. He's a very well looking and handsome celebrity. When I saw him in the when I saw him in the first when I first time when I saw him in a movie, I am very impressed by his acting skills. I would like to meet him once in a life.
All right, 1 minute, 2 seconds, so you should speak more. Right, and
Okay.
after every sentence like that, just try to come out of that. And there were grammatical mistakes. One of them I caught, like you said, I am impressed. You can say I'm impressed because the person is still alive, but when you speak about it in the past, you say, when I saw him that time, I was impressed. Okay, so try to add more to it. Although the selection of topic, Johnny Depp,
Okay,
that's very
okay,
good.
okay, okay.
Everything is fine. Speak fluently, right? And add some more because it's just 1 minute. It should be more than that. Let's go on. Do you have any foreign friends?
No, yet I have not any.
No, yes?
No, yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not.
Okay, okay. Not yet. I don't have any foreign friends. But I would like. But I would like to have foreign friends because it helps us. Because it helps us. Bit, because it helps us.
See now, when you repeat this thing, it sounds like you have crammed the answer. Okay, so
Okay.
don't repeat like that
Okay.
because
Okay.
it helps us. Because this is all repetition.
Okay.
These things are the band killers. Your band can go down as low as 4.5 band. You should avoid this thing. Don't repeat these words again because this thing clearly shows that you have crammed the answer. Even if you have not crammed, habitually you are doing it. Examiner will get crammed answer and then so many questions and you'll be puzzled. As a result, low band score. So you need to pay more attention to part 3.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you.